Good morning, everybody. Today we discuss the terminologies of accountancy. It is very important for doing the accounts. First one is business. Business, that means कि every legal organization set up with a view to earn more and more profit. That means कि what is the main object of the business? To earn profit is called business, in which people works to make and sell products or services. It works on regular basis. Business is not only for physical things but also for services rendered to the society. But the main object of business is to earn profit. That is the business. Now, second one is profession. In profession, a profession is a job or what you do for a living at which someone works and for which they have training. But in a profession, it requires a special knowledge and skill in a particular field, just like a doctor. If a doctor treated his patient, before that he have a training and educated qualifications which is required for become a doctor. Just like a lawyer, CA, that is the chartered accountant, a teacher, that is the profession. Now next one is proprietor. Proprietor is very important for set up the business. He is the owner of a business, who owns a business, who has the exclusive right of real property. Who? Proprietor. In business, the capital is invested by the proprietor. Who is the proprietor? Who invests capital in business. And they have right in profit of the business and also suffer loss in the business. If there is a profit or loss, that is taken by the proprietor. Now next one is capital. Capital, first of all, what do you mean by capital? Capital is that amount of cash, goods, and assets which is initially invested by the proprietor. Who invests the capital? Proprietor invests the capital. When the business commenced by the proprietor, when proprietor start the business, a proprietor initially invested the amount cash, goods or assets that is known as the capital. If a proprietor invests additional capital during the year or after starting the business, it is also called the capital. There are so many types of capital. Here we discuss all the types. First one is fixed capital. The capital which is invested for acquiring fixed assets. What are the fixed assets? First, for the business, it is very essential a proprietor have a building, machines, furniture, plant, that means कि like हम किसी चीज़ का प्लांट डाल रहे हैं, लाइक RO प्लांट डाला है हमने, वहाँ पे पानी फिल्टर हो रहा है, दिस टाइप ऑफ प्लांट. The capital which is acquired for purchasing fixed assets is known as fixed capital. It is for long period. It is invested for long period, not for the short period. That means कि we can also say this type of capital is stay with the business up to the end of the business. Now second one is floating capital. Floating capital is also known as the fluctuating capital, which are invested for sale purpose like in stock and investment. in stock and investment is called floating capital. It is not for fixed purpose. It is always fluctuate according to the condition, not for the long period. It will change according to the situation and demand of the business. Now last one is working capital. Working capital is kept for operating daily routine activities of business is called working capital. It is obtaining for daily routine